Welcome back to your channel name, where we explore the latest in camper van innovations and road trip adventures. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future content. Today, we're taking a closer look at the exciting 2025 Decia camper van, a perfect blend of practicality, comfort, and affordability for those who love to hit the open road. Let's dive into what makes this new camper so special. First off, Decia has long been known for producing reliable, budget-friendly vehicles, and the 2025 camper van is no different. Designed with adventure in mind, this camper van is compact but cleverly packed with everything you need for a comfortable and enjoyable journey. With a focus on usability and efficiency, it promises to be a game changer for van life enthusiasts and road trippers alike. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Decia camper van features a sleek, modern design that combines a rugged, off-road ready look with a smooth, aerodynamic shape. The high ground clearance ensures you can venture off the beaten path, while the compact size allows for easier maneuverability in tight spaces, perfect for urban exploration or winding mountain roads. Decia has also made sure to include ample storage on the roof, with an optional roof rack that can carry extra gear, bikes, or even a roof box for longer trips. Moving inside, the interior is all about maximizing space and comfort. The van comes with a modular layout, allowing you to adjust the sleeping, dining, and storage areas based on your needs. The foldable bed system is easy to set up and can be stowed away to create more room during the day. The kitchen area is compact but efficient, with a 2-burner stove, a small fridge, and plenty of counter space to prep your meals on the go. There's also a clever storage system to keep your kitchen gear organized and out of sight when not in use. The 2025 Decia camper van has a surprisingly spacious feel for its size, thanks to clever design elements like large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The interior also features soft, durable materials that not only add to the comfort but also help with noise reduction while driving. Whether you're parked in a peaceful campsite or in a busy town, the interior is designed to offer a quiet and cozy retreat after a long day on the road. Another standout feature is the van's tech. The 2025 model comes with an upgraded infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, navigation, and smartphone integration for hands-free calls and music. For those longer trips, there's even an optional solar panel system to keep your devices charged and help you stay off the grid for extended periods. Under the hood, the Decia camper van offers a choice of fuel-efficient engines, ensuring you get the best possible range while keeping running costs low. Whether you're cruising through the countryside or tackling winding mountain roads, the van is designed to provide a smooth and stable ride, with advanced safety features like lane assist and parking sensors to make your journeys even easier. To wrap up, the 2025 Decia camper van is a fantastic option for those seeking a budget-friendly, versatile, and practical camper for their adventures. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning a longer road trip, it has everything you need to make the most of your travels. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on more van life content, make sure to subscribe to your channel name and leave a comment down below about what you think of the 2025 Decia camper van. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.